Walking into a freezing cold living room because you forgot to turn the heat up before leaving work is a special kind of frustration. It is the type of small daily friction that makes you realize how outdated most of our home systems really are. We spend so much money on high-tech phones and laptops, yet the thing that actually controls our physical comfort is often just a clunky plastic box on the wall from the 90s. That is exactly where the smart thermostat comes into play. It is a budget-friendly way to drag your home heating into the modern era without ripping out your walls or emptying your savings account. This device isn't trying to be a luxury piece of high-end art. It is a functional tool built to give you total control right from your smartphone. No matter where you are in the world, you could be sitting at your office desk or standing in a grocery store line. If you realize you want the house to be cozy by the time you get home, you just tap an app. It connects through a common smart ecosystem, which most people who have a few smart bulbs or plugs already know very well. One of the best parts is how it handles your specific weekly routine. You can set it up so the house warms up exactly 5 minutes before your alarm goes off in the morning. Then it cools down the second you walk out the door to start your commute. You have options for different schedules, like 5+2 or full 7-day rotations. It simply works around you. Instead of you having to remember to twist a dial every morning and night, for those who are already deep into voice assistants, it plays nice with the big names. Telling your house to set the temperature to 22 degrees while you're busy cooking dinner feels like living in the future, even if the technology behind it is actually quite simple and accessible. The screen itself is a clear touch-sensitive display, and it even lets you dim or turn off the backlight at night. That might seem like a small detail, but if your thermostat is located in a hallway near your bedroom, you definitely do not want a bright blue light glowing in your face at 3 in the morning. Under the hood, it uses the high-precision sensor to track changes. It monitors tiny fractions of a degree, and you can even calibrate it manually if you feel it is slightly off from your other thermometers. This is particularly useful in older houses where drafty corners can mess with the sensors. There is even a built-in protection to keep your pipes from freezing. It will kick the heat on just enough to prevent a disaster during a long winter trip away from home. Now, it is not all perfect and we have to be realistic. Since it relies on cloud services, there can be a tiny bit of lag between pressing a button on your phone and the unit responding. It also lacks those fancy energy analytics reports that the hyper-expensive premium brands offer. You won't get a beautiful chart telling you exactly how many pennies you saved by lowering the heat by 1 degree. But for the price point, that feels like a very fair trade-off. It runs on the standard home frequency, so just make sure your router isn't strictly locked to a high-speed band during the initial setup process. For anyone looking to automate electric floor heating or a basic boiler system, this is a very solid entry point into home automation. It focuses on the essentials: remote access, voice commands, and reliable scheduling. It is about reclaiming your time and making sure you never have to walk into a cold room ever again. It is a simple upgrade, one that pays off every single morning when you wake up to a warm floor, and every evening when you realize you did not waste money heating an empty house all day long. That kind of daily peace of mind is worth a lot more than the modest sticker price suggests. It turns a chore into a background process you never have to think about. If you want a smarter home without the massive bill, this is a great place to start your journey into home automation.